To get better at something, we must practice. And that can most certainly be said about photography. Hi, my name is Tommy, and I'm starting this new channel that's going to be all about practicing photography aspects. So essentially what we're going to be doing is similar to the 52-week challenge or the 365 challenge. If you've ever heard of those, what happens is you get an assignment for that day or that week, and you go out and you try to take photos based on that assignment to help cultivate your mind and get a good creative flow going so that you can then incorporate that into your everyday photography work and also expand your portfolio at the same time. So what I'm going to be doing is on the 1st and 15th of every month, unless this channel gets big, then I'll try to do it every week. But on the 1st and 15th of every month, I'm going to be putting out a video like this one, and it's going to be going into an aspect of photography. So say, we'll give an example about next week. Next week is going to be just simple shapes and composition of the photo that you're trying to make. So we'll be looking at specific ways and specific things, and I'm going to describe that and as well as show examples of photos that I've taken in the same rule and subject matter. And then I'm going to send you guys out into the world to go and photograph anything for the next couple weeks. You could share it with me. I'll probably come up with a hashtag that we can go play around with and share each other's photos on Instagram, and it'll be fun. You won't need any particular gear. This is not a gear specific channel. I will be talking about gear every so often, but it's not going to be anything like, oh, come out here and buy this and do that and whatever. There are certain styles of photography that we will be getting into because I'm going into the realm of, like, we're going to be taking surreal photography and astrophotography and things like that. And so there's certain demands such as time lapses will probably require intervalometers if you don't have one built into your camera and things like that. So, but for the most part, we're going to be trying to be as generalized on the camera equipment as possible. This way you can use any camera you have, and in some cases even your cell phone camera. So I hope you enjoy this channel. This is just the intro video for now, and that's pretty much it. I will see you on the 15th with the first of many practicing subjects that you can get out there and become a better photographer. Welcome to my channel.